Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. We saw a smart pullback in US markets due to easing debt ceiling uncertainties. It has led to an uptick in the dollar index, which climbed to 102.60, and the bond yield have also climbed above the levels of 3.5%, which could affect flows to our markets. Singapore Nifty is trading 50 points higher as Asian markets are doing well. However, on Wednesday, we saw a sharp decline in our markets. Market has broken all its important levels, 18,250, 200 levels, 170, all the important levels which we mentioned in yesterday's podcast. In fact, after falling to the levels of 18,100, we saw some recovery. It was brilliant recovery from the lower levels, because again it was backed by bank stocks. But the way the market has broken all the important levels, we need to be a little bit careful, and we need to see that whether the market manages to sustain above the mark of 5 days simple moving average or not. Because in the last 10-15 days, whenever the market has fallen to 5 days simple moving average, on the next day it recovered back and it started sustaining above the same. So unless the market is not crossing the level of this 5 day simple moving average, we are not going to see any major short covering in the market. In fact, around 18,250 to 75, we are expecting some additional short selling in the market, and that's the reason we need to be careful if we see the bounce back towards 18,250 to 75 levels. On the downside, 18,100 going to act as major support. Below 18,100, we are expecting market to correct further, but it is equally important for the market to break the level of 18,050, which is its previous important support. So 18,100, certainly we are going to see weakness. Below 18,050, it will confirm that we are heading little bit more. For the Bank Nifty, 43,500 acted as major support. We saw some recovery, but today below 43,400, which was yesterday's lowest level, we can expect further more weakness to 43,000 levels. On the higher side, 43,800, 850 going to act as major resistance for the Bank Nifty, and in the best case scenario, we may see the levels of 44,000. Now, till the markets are not crossing 44,200, we are going to see range bound activity with a bearish bias if there is any rebound from current levels. Nifty IT index also failed to perform, and there also we saw weakness. So today we need to see that which sector performs, and most of the time whenever the market recovered from the lower levels, we saw some recovery in we saw a recovery specifically in the bank sector. So today also it is like mandatory for the bank sector to perform, otherwise the market will remain under pressure. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.